Recently, the state of Brandenburg tested Tesla Giga Berlin factory and sees no major defects when testing the factory. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Haryam from TorqueNews.com. The US electric car manufacturer Tesla has quote-unquote largely fulfilled state requirements for protection against contamination and nature conservation in the factory Giga Berlin, according to the State Environment Agency of Brandenburg. This emerges from the first results of a comprehensive examination by authorities from May 9th to 20th, which is available to the German press agency. During the check of the emission protection, no facts were found during the check that would justify or make necessary a ban on operation, the State Environmental Agency announced. The Märkische Oderzeitung reported on it on Thursday. The State Environment Agency found some minor deficiencies at Giga Berlin. For example, the installation locations of machines deviated by a few meters compared to the submitted documents from the construction plan. Such deficiencies can be remedied by updating the submitted documents, provided these deviations have no impact on noise protection measures or other relevant specifications, for example, said spokesman Thomas Frey. In addition, operating units were reported at Giga Berlin as being in operation that had not yet been set up. Both deficiencies could be remedied without affecting ongoing operations and production of Model Y electric vehicles at Tesla Giga Berlin Gigafactory. The State Environment Agency announced that the requirements for species protection had been implemented completely and professionally. This includes the implementation of population of smooth snakes and sand lizards, the deployment of next boxes for tree breeders, and ecological forest conversion. I have lived in Germany, but I didn't know Germany is a big place for lizards. You guys, if you live in the area, are there lots of lizards that are so important to put this program in place for their protection? Anyway, the Giga Berlin plant in Grünheide has officially been producing electric Model Y cars since March 22nd. According to the Ministry of the Environment, the so-called initial inspection is a normal step after a factory has been commissioned. This is Armen Haryam from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. We bring the general Tesla news and electric vehicle news every day, and with good news that Brandenburg sees no major defects with Giga Berlin testing the Tesla factory. Let me know your thoughts, friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Recently, the state of Brandenburg tested Tesla Giga Berlin factory and sees no major defects when testing the factory. Welcome back.